Hello all, how are you doing? So today I came up with another model. It is twisted climbing arc. So I took photo in a park in Japan. So I just wanted to show you how to model it. It's not so complicated, but I found the shape interesting. That's why I wanted to practice how to model it easily. So this is the image I inserted to the software. So I will first decide the base so that I know where these legs touch the ground. So okay, let me go to the top view and create the base first. So I can say it's a rectangular base. First of all, let me select rectangle and center line will be 0. Then size of the rectangle would be like 2000. No, this width can be around 50 by the, and the length will be around, let's say 2. So this is fine. I have the base now. So top view, once I have this, now I will be going to the center line, I mean the center of this rectangle, and that is, I will choose line and I choose center 0. So now my line is pinned to the 0 point. Now I can go to the front view and decide the height of the arc. So decide the height. This height would be around, I don't know, okay, 100, fine. Okay, first 100. So the first one is 100. Now I think it's better to move the image a bit so that I would have clear working space. Yeah, and the second line stop height would be around maybe 130 to just make. So to differentiate, I can just change color here. New layer with new color. Change object layer. Yeah. So you can see there are two lines here. So what option I'm going to choose is arc. I choose arc, but this one, it is curve interpolate points. So I will choose this point and I will start first from this point, connect to this upper point here and choose and right click. So I have finished the tallest arc. I can delete this red line here, and now I will do for the next arc but in opposite direction. So same option here, I will choose this corner here and come to this point and choose this. So you can see basic outline is created. So now what I'm going to do is I will select this and divide them into equal points. So I think maybe 16 points would be fine. Yeah, so it has divided them into 16 places. So now what is coming next is I will choose line. I choose line and connect each points parallelly. This one with this one. Again, line this with this one with this one. No, sorry. This one come here. Here. You know, it's twisted now. It's getting twisted. Yeah. Yeah. This will be here. This one will be here. This one will be here. This one will be here. And here is mistake here. This one is here, right? Yeah, it's fine. It's right. You can rotate. Yeah, you see how interesting it is. I can delete this line here. I don't even need this base. Maybe I just need, how does it look? Yeah, no other horizontal line here. So the next step would be selecting lines, all lines. So I can select one line, or I can come select here and go to this line here, so it will select all the lines. Then I will change this into pipe. I will make it pipe, and I don't know, select all, maybe pipe. I think 3 is fine. Yeah, so look at it. Let me change the view. For now, let me go to shaded view. Yeah, I don't need these pictures anymore. So look at it. The climbing arc is twisted, and it has a nice interesting shape, and plus I think they made it this way to give some challenge for the kids playing on it. So it gives some kind of challenge here for the kids, and they have to pass through it or up on it. So this is how you can make it easily. Hopefully you have learned something new, I hope, and I will come back with another video next time. Thank you for watching. Subscribe and comment if you have some question. Thank you.